Now let's understand core concepts of OOPs one by one. Now let's understand the core concepts one by one. What is OOPs? OOPs in Java is a programming method where we create programs using objects, classes to represent the real world things. I know if you're hearing this definition for the first time, it doesn't make any sense. Let's talk with an example so that we can understand the concept very easily. Imagine you're building a SBI software application for millions of customers. As we know, the usage of the application in the real world is very high because there are so many transactions that are being made in minutes. One customer deposits money and another transfers money and another checks balance from the ATM. If you write all these things in one file, the systems becomes a disaster. That's why companies use OOPs. Without OOPs, the methods like deposit savings, deposit current account, deposit salary, these must be written so many times, then it will automatically increase the logic repetition everywhere. Okay, now let's move to the next topic, class and object. So, what is a class? A class is a blueprint for creating the objects. Then, what is an object? It's an instance of a class. Okay, don't worry, let's dive deep. We'll take a bank account example. So, a bank account form contains account number, balance, customer name, IFSC, and account type. And that structure is called as a class. Let's take a banking example like customer, account, ATM, transaction. These all are called as objects, whereas bank and the banking structure and the banking template is called as a class. Instead of writing everything in one huge program, we divide responsibilities into objects. Now that I have mentioned that we are dividing the responsibilities into objects, so I am taking a class bank accounts as an example and we'll write two methods here. I mean, two responsibilities here. For that, we need two parameters with two fields string account holder name and double balance. Now these are the two parameters we have listed. Now we can write two methods, one for deposit and one for withdraw in the same class. So what can we understand here is with the help of OOPS concept, we can integrate many number of classes and many number of objects into one class. Now let's consolidate everything at once. Class is like a SBI account opening form template. Object is the actual customer account created using that template. One class can create thousands of customer accounts, just like one bank account form can open accounts for millions of customers.